Space is a continuous area or expanse that is free, available, or unoccupied. Everything that you see involves some type of space. Say, for example, if you were sitting at a desk, that also involves space. There's space from the top of your knee to your desk, space from your stomach to the desk. There's even space between your butt and the chair you're sitting in. The atoms in your butt technically don't touch the atoms in the chair, so technically when you touch something or step on something, you're never actually touching it because the atoms repel each other. Now onto the type of space that you think of when I say the word space, the vast open area outside of Earth's atmosphere. There are many theories of how space was created, but the most known in the scientific world is the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion. The theory states that it was merely space stretching everywhere at once. The universe wasn't expanding into anything, it was expanding into itself. Think of one of those toys when you put water in it, it gets bigger, except there's no cup, an infinite amount of water, and the toy never stops growing. In this hot, humid environment, energy was given off by particles that didn't exist for long. As the universe got bigger, the environment started to cool, and these energy particles cooled as well, forming the first proton, or also known as the first hydrogen atom. Now our universe is 100 billion kilometers long, 1 second after it started expanding. Another theory, which I find very interesting, is imagine an atom. Take that atom and zoom out. Zoom out from an atom, you get a molecule, tissue, organ system, body, house, country, continent. Zoom out even more, you get the Earth, solar system, galaxy, universe, and you get more universes or a super universe, which is multiple super universes, etc. It is theorized that if you zoom out 200 billion light years, you will reach the end of the universe. Now, by the time I'm done giving this speech, it might be 225 billion light years or 300 billion light years. We never really know how fast it is actually expanding. In my opinion, the most interesting and mysterious thing in the universe are black holes. Black holes are very mysterious to pretty much any astrophysicist or astronomer. Black holes are formed when a star gets too massive. It creates gravity on itself and basically collapses into itself. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so great that nothing, not even light, can escape one. Anything that comes in the path of a black hole will be swallowed by a black hole. If you were to watch a black hole swallow a planet, it would look like this. You'd see the light from a star being bent around it, and as it approaches the planet, it would look as if the planet was being swallowed. The light reflecting off the planet would bend, thus creating the effect that the planet is being swallowed. Now, if you happen to encounter a black hole, which you won't, but if this were to happen, here's theoretically how it would happen. You would approach the black hole traveling hundreds of thousands of miles per hour, and you'd probably already be dead. But if you were to survive traveling this fast, you could reach the event horizon. Once you reach the event horizon, there's no going back. It would look as if you were being stretched apart, and your image would fade and eventually be gone. The black hole would rip the atoms in your body apart one by one until you no longer exist anywhere in the universe.